How do you reduce a fraction and put it into lowest terms? Well, if I had the fraction 6/8, I can see right away that 2 is going to be the greatest common factor. But if you can't see that 2 is going to be the biggest number that goes into both 6 and 8, then list your factors. So the factors of 6 are 1 times 6, 2 times 3, and 3 times 2. I have a backwards fact, so I know I'm done. 1, 2, 3, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 6. No repeats. Then I'm going to list the factors for 8. Factors are the numbers you multiply together. 1 times 8, always start with 1, then go to 2. 2 times 4, go to 3, divide. If you get a decimal, it doesn't work. 4 times 2. So I have a backwards fact. I know I'm done listing all the factors. 1, 2, 4, and 8. If you don't know your math facts, divide. 8 divided by 1. 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 3. 8 divided by 4. My greatest common factor is 2. I'm going to divide the top number and the bottom number by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 6/8 in lowest terms is 3/4. Okay, let's do another one. What if I have the fraction 14/24? I can see right away that 2 is going to be the greatest common factor, the biggest number that goes into both evenly. But if you can't see that, go ahead, do 14 divided by 1, you'll get 14. Do 14 divided by 2, you'll get 7. Do 14 divided by 3, you'll get a decimal. 14 divided by 4 is a decimal. 14 divided by 5 is a decimal. Use your calculator, you'll see what I'm talking about. 14 divided by 6 is a decimal. 14 divided by 7 is 2. There's my factors, 1, 2, 7, and 14. List your factors, 1, 2, 7, and 14. Now we'll list the factors for 24. I'll do it up here. 1 times 12, 24 is 24. 2 times 12. If you don't know, do division. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 24 divided by 4 is 6. 24 divided by 5 gives you a decimal. It doesn't work. 24 divided by 6 is 4. There's my backwards fact. I'm done. List them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. List your factors under the factors for 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. I can see the only one they have in common is 2. 2 is my greatest common factor. I'm going to divide the top and the bottom by 2. 14 divided by 2, 24 divided by 2. Whatever I do to the top of a fraction, I have to do to the bottom. I divide top and bottom by 2. Simplest form. Lowest terms, 14/24 is 7/12. Here are some tricks. If I know both numbers are even, I can always try 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. And 4 divided by 2 is 2. I'm in the simplest form, lowest terms. Okay? Well, you can always try 2 if you're stuck. They're both even numbers. What if I have the fraction 4/16? You can always try the smaller number and divide the top and bottom by the smaller number. So let's just try 4. We don't list factors, we'll just try 4. Let's see if it works. Use your calculator. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Okay, in 6/8, I can't use the smaller number. 6 won't go into 8. So I'm going to go lower. Go smaller than 6 and try those numbers. So let's try 5. 6 divided by 5, that doesn't work. I get a decimal. 6 divided by 4 doesn't work. 6 divided by 3 doesn't work. 2 is your greatest common factor. They're both even numbers, by the way, so we could have tried 2 from the beginning. 3/4. Okay, so there's a few tricks. If you're not sure, try 2. If both the numbers are even, try the smaller number. Okay, try 2 if they are both even numbers. Try to divide the top and bottom by 2. If that doesn't work, try the smaller of the 2 numbers. If you don't feel like listing all the factors, these are a few things you can try. So try 4. 4 is smaller than 16. Divide both by 4. See if it works. Use your calculator. If you get a decimal, it doesn't work. If the smaller number doesn't work, you have to go smaller. So if 4 didn't work in that other problem, I would have to try 3 and 2